Well, here we are once again. Fun times with Tony. More yellow stuff, you know. Yellow's good. Okay, this is a my friend Dick gave me. Whew. It's going to be a handful, let me tell you. We got a 55AX on the back there. Roller bearing motor. Couple of servos going to a Y harness. Into another Y harness. Because we got a front wheel. It's got a front wheel. I know that's crazy. We're dialing in some of the servos and stuff. Got some activity here. Everything seems to be pretty good. Got to get one more Y harness, but you guys take a look at this thing here. This is a bad motherfucker. This thing is going to be fast as hell. It's going to be a handful, though, I tell you. It is a BobCat. Alright, we got to learn about them pusher props, too. Definitely going to be a handful. Got the swept back wing. Going to be fast. Going to be real fast. Alright, well, just wanted to show you guys this thing, and thanks, Dick, for giving it to me. Alright. See you guys soon. Signing off. Let's go fly tomorrow.